All right, the coordinates of the border of a garden are 3, 5, 3, 10, 8, 10, and 8, 5. If each grid on the square has a length of 3 feet, how much fencing is needed? So fencing is talking about perimeter because fencing goes on the outside. So they're asking us to find the perimeter of this garden. So I'm going to start by doing my X and Y chart, and my ordered pairs are 3, 5, 3, 10, 8, 10, and 8, 5. And then I'm going to look at the difference between the Y's, and I've got 8 minus 3, that'll be 5. Oh, sorry, that was the X's. The difference between the Y's, I have 8 minus 5, and that'll also be 5. So I know that whatever this shape is, it's actually a square, and we have 5 units on each side. So the perimeter of that would be 20 units. Then they tell us that each grid square is actually equal to 3 feet. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply that by 3, and I would have 60 feet. So I need 60 feet of fencing.